In this video, I will guide you through the process of extracting frames from a video and saving them as high-quality image files using VLC Media Player. VLC is a free, open-source media player that offers many advanced features, including the ability to extract frames from a video. This method can be useful for creating image sequences, analyzing motion in a video, or capturing specific moments in high resolution. If you only need a single image or a couple of still frames, the easiest method is to take a screenshot. VLC has a built-in screenshot tool that allows you to capture frames with excellent quality. To use this feature, play the video and pause at the desired moment. Then go to the VLC menu bar, select Video and click on Take Snapshot. The frame will be saved as an image in your Pictures folder by default. However, if you need to extract multiple frames or generate a full sequence of images, taking screenshots manually is not practical. Instead, VLC provides an automated method for extracting frames at specific intervals. This is done using the Scene Video filter, which allows you to extract frames efficiently with just a few configurations. To get started, open VLC and navigate to the menu bar. Click on Tools, then select Preferences. At the bottom left of the Preferences window, select All under Show Settings. This will display Advanced Settings. Scroll down to the Video section and expand Filters. Click on Scene Filter to access the extraction settings. Here, you will need to configure several options to specify how the frames should be extracted. First, set the image format to either JPEG or PNG, depending on your preference. JPEG files are smaller and suitable for most purposes, while PNG files provide lossless quality. By default, the width and height values are set to -1, which means that VLC will extract images in the same resolution as the original video. If your video is in 1080p, 4K, or any other resolution, the output images will retain the same quality. You also have the option to specify custom dimensions if needed. Next, set an image name prefix. This helps organize extracted images by adding a recognizable label before the frame number. Then, choose the destination folder where you want the extracted images to be saved. Ensure that this location has enough storage, especially if you plan to extract a large number of frames. The most critical setting is the recording ratio, which determines how frequently frames are extracted. If you want to capture one frame every 10 frames, enter 10 in the recording ratio box. For a video with a frame rate of 30 FPS, this will result in 3 images per second. If the video is 20 seconds long, a total of 60 images will be extracted. If you set the recording ratio to 1, every single frame of the video will be saved, creating a full sequence of images. Once you have configured these settings, return to the Filters section and check the box next to Scene Video Filter. Click Save to apply the changes. To activate the new settings, close VLC completely and reopen it. Now, play the video from which you want to extract frames. VLC will automatically capture frames according to the configured interval and save them in the designated folder. It is important to let the video play until the end to extract all the required frames. If you pause the video, the extraction process will also pause. When you resume playback, frame extraction will continue automatically. After extraction is complete, open the folder you specified earlier to find the saved images. Each image will be labeled according to the prefix you set, followed by a sequence number. The extracted frames will have the same high quality as the original video. Once you have successfully extracted the frames, it is crucial to disable the Scene Video filter. If you leave this setting enabled, VLC will continue extracting frames from every video you play. To turn it off, go back to Preferences, navigate to Filters, and uncheck the Scene Video filter option. Click Save and restart VLC to apply the changes. This method provides a straightforward and efficient way to extract frames from a video with high quality. Whether you need images for analysis, animation sequences, or artistic purposes, VLC offers a reliable tool for the job. By following these steps, you can ensure precise frame extraction tailored to your needs.